Meaning of driving range.
Driving range.
Driving range.
Driving range.
Driving range. Driving range refers to the distance that an electric or hybrid vehicle can travel on a single charge. This measurement is important for evaluating the practicality of a vehicle's battery capacity and its ability to meet the transportation needs of its owner. A larger driving range generally means greater flexibility in terms of travel options and less worry about running out of power. As electric vehicle technology improves, driving ranges are increasing, making these vehicles more appealing to potential buyers as a viable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars.